Hi everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, these are two tabletop chain conveyors we've just finished reconditioning on. Each has been completely dismantled and cleaned, and we've replaced all mechanical parts as needed. In this case, they are both having new low friction chain on them. The one to my far side to the left over here is a 4.5 820 style Rex chain. And of course this one here closest to me is the gray low friction chain in 4-inch wide. This is also a Rex 820 style. These are for straight transiting conveyors. Both, as you can see, are stainless steel bodies. Both have variable speed drives. The one farthest over here, Tammy, you come around underneath here, you'll see we've added a O-ring sealed box, and it has a AC frequency drive in it, which takes in 115 single phase and operates the motor at variable speed, giving you from 0 to 60 hertz the full range of the mechanical combination of the motor and the gear reducer. On the opposite side, if you look underneath Tam, you'll see there is a this is a DC drive on this unit. Takes 115 volt single phase, and of course is easily can change the speed just by slowly turning up the dial. We have lots of conveyors in our stock for packaging and bottling, screw conveyors, pneumatic conveyors, vibratory conveyors. So we do hope you'll give us a call and visit our website at www.champtrading.com, where you can view our entire inventory online, and the site is updated daily. So we do look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us today.